My great father, my father is my life. He is the backbone of our family. My father is my hero, guide, and a role model. The most important person in my life is my father. His love, care, and support is unconditional. I have the greatest respect and love for him. What I am is because of my father. He sacrifices his life for my happiness. He showed me what true love is. He is my best friend. He is the main pillar of our family. My father is very kind and loving. May Allah gives my father a long life. If your father is no more here, I pray to Allah to give your father the best place in Jannah. Follow for more videos.